I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hummus pita at home, only way. Start by rinsing and draining your chickpeas well, then peel 2 cloves of garlic and juice 1 lemon. Add chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, garlic, and a pinch of salt to a food processor. Drizzle in 3 tablespoons of olive oil while blending until smooth. Taste and adjust salt or lemon, then warm pita lightly before serving with hummus. To get super smooth hummus, pulse the food processor a few times, then blend continuously while adding liquid slowly. If the mixture seems dry, stir in 1 to 2 tablespoons of the reserved aquafaba or water until creamy. Taste after blending and add another squeeze of lemon or a pinch more salt if needed. Finish with a tablespoon of olive oil for silkiness and transfer to a bowl for pita filling. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple recipes. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated while you cook with a reliable bottle. I love the Owala water bottle because it fits in your hand and keeps drinks cold. It pairs nicely with snack prep and long kitchen sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Warm your pita slightly so it becomes pliable but not too soft, then cut or open a pocket. Spread 2 to 3 tablespoons of hummus inside, then layer cucumber slices, tomato, and a handful of parsley or spinach for freshness. Drizzle a touch more olive oil and sprinkle paprika or cumin if you like. Serve right away so the pita stays warm and the hummus retains its creamy texture as you enjoy each bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.